think with marketing, it's really easy for people to push you to work with them. And the difference with Genius Monkey is they actually really do work for your benefit. So it's a team effort. I really feel like we're really working for the same company because we talk all the time. We talk all the time, we strategize all the time, we're always planning. I think I text our rep every day, pretty much. But it's great. It's just very seamless and easy to communicate with them. And then the data as well has been a huge game changer for us. It's really made us question all of our other marketing initiatives and how else we can add on to them, how else we can track, what else can we do to get kind of the same behind the scenes tracking that marketing needs that we do with Genius Monkey, because it's so easy and so easy to look at all the numbers that you want that for all of your marketing.